everybody, I'm the Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build Lego bricks. So today I have something interesting today. And just to show you, I still have the bag for this. So we're going to be looking at a Polybag set, number 30542 from Lego Creator. But not only is this a Polybag set, but it is also a 3-in-1 Polybag, which is rather interesting. So questions came to me on what to do with this video. So we're going to be starting off by building one of these smaller builds. We're going to start off with this, which is I believe called the Emu. You need to download these instructions on the internet. And I'm going to show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause it at any time of the video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's get started. We're going to start off with a 2x4 standard base plate in white, and we're going to put on top of that a 2x2 base plate in cream. Now what else are we going to add on? So we're going to get what is that? Ah, yes, okay. So we're gonna get a grill element and we're gonna stick it on top of this base plate like so. And we're gonna get two of these small base plates with handles on them, and we're gonna put them diagonally on this section over here. Now at the front we're going to attach some side attachment bricks. These are the 1x1 side attachment bricks with 2 points in them, one over here and one over here like this. We're going to get these longer slope pieces and we're going to stick them just like so on here. Very nice and simple. Now we're going to be making some more decoration, so we're going to need a 1x1 base plate, and we're going to get a small slope piece. We're going to stick that on top of that, and we're going to make another one. Take that, stick it like this, and we're going to attach them to the side attachment bricks here on the side, one over here and one over here. Now what are we going to be doing? So we're going to get a 1x3 base plate in black, and we're going to get another small slope piece like this. We're going to stick it on over here. We're going to get a 2x3 base plate in cream. We're going to stick it on that. We're going to flip this over and we're going to attach a 1x2 base plate in black right over here. And we're going to get these inverted slope pieces in black. I'm going to stick them to the base section over here to add a little bit of smoothness to it all. We're going to flip it back over and we're going to add some details to the face. So we're going to get a 1x2 jump plate. I'm going to stick it on top of here like this. We're going to get these printed eye elements. We're going to stick them on the front of the face like this. Now we're going to need a side attachment plate, you know, sort of rounded side attachment plate. We're going to stick it on over here, and for the beak we're going to get a single cheese slope like this. So now it's sort of got, you know, those things that it slightly looks like a turkey, if you know what I mean. So we're going to take this head section and we're going to stick it right over here on the front, and now all we've got left to do is to stick some legs on. So we're going to get two more of these small handle plates, and we're going to get two tubular pieces in a creamy sand color. We're going to stick this like this and this like this. I'm going to stick one over here and one over here. It shows me here on the instructions that they need to be staggered for balance, and I think I've done that right. Let's actually just adjust it to make it balance more, and there we've done it. There we have it. Our build here is complete. We've still got quite a lot of leftover pieces over here on the side, but we've made a nice smaller build compared to the one that we'll be doing later on. But anyways, as I was saying, interesting use of the pieces to create 3 different animals. And as for the emu, it's a really nice build. I especially like this sort of head sticking up like this. It looks especially comical. Yeah, it's very nice. I've done this, I built this emu for the first time, so I think I've done especially well. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, Up a building.